Hey, it's been a while, guys. Hope everyone's been doing well. I've been pretty busy working on various projects at work and also my personal project lately. So yeah, trying to get back into the groove of making some more videos. So in this video, I want to answer the question of, is being a professional developer even hard? So short answer is, I would say it's a mixture. There's definitely going to be times where you are going to get stuck and it may take you a little bit to figure out. You may have to consult other developers, check out Stack Overflow, just Google around, just finding resources or looking at the error and really trying to understand what it is the computer is trying to tell you. Are there going to be times where things are just easy for you? Absolutely, definitely. There's going to be times where you've encountered the same error 5 or 6 times before, and you'll know how to quickly get through it rather than waste 30 minutes trying to figure it out. Additionally, there's a lot of boilerplate code that you're going to have to type over and over and over again. So there'll be a point where it's pretty much muscle memory. But there's also going to be times where you may have to work with a coworker's code or someone that you're pairing with's code, and you may have to jump into a section of the code base that is particular or using, pretty advanced concepts that you may not have wrapped your head around yet, or maybe they're trying to do things in a clever way to where it might be a little confusing to grasp if you don't have solid fundamentals. So if you encounter situations like that, it can be difficult. But it's through getting through these difficulties that you will become a better and better developer, which is why if you're getting too comfortable, you need to challenge yourself. You need to get stuck. You need to work on things that are challenging to you mentally. You don't want to just type all day long and code all day long, stuff that is easy peasy lemon squeezy, no surprises, you've done it a trillion times before, and that's it. That's all you do. You're like, oh yeah, I'm totally comfortable. I don't want to learn anything new outside of what I'm currently doing, and it's great. No, you don't want to do that. The real progression comes through getting through difficult tasks. The more difficult tasks that you get through, you're going to become a better developer that way. You want to do that. So I would say, if you're at a point where you feel like programming isn't hard or developing isn't hard, then you need to challenge yourself more. You need to hit more resistance. You need to pick up, maybe try a different programming language if you feel really comfortable with your programming language. Maybe try just taking on harder challenges, harder problems, not necessarily the programming language itself, but I'm talking about just harder problems in general. Problems that maybe people around you are having a hard time figuring out or solving, or maybe once you get a job or if you're currently working, maybe challenges that are difficult for other coworkers to get through. Those are the types of challenges that you want to take on. If you think programming isn't hard, or if you hear anyone saying that being a developer or software engineer or programmer, what have you, isn't hard, then they're definitely not challenging themselves enough. And believe me when I say there are more than enough problems out there that people are stuck on, they can't get through with coding. There's more than enough. Pick one, go ahead, go for it. Anyways, I've noticed that many of the problems that I work on at work, probably about 50, 60, 70% of what I encounter at work these days has become pretty easy, actually. And I think it's time that I take on harder and harder problems. And my job, my engineering manager, is definitely passing me tasks that are more and more difficult. And you want to do that gradually. You want to try and use it as like a stepping ladder. You don't like want to go from 0 to 100, like an easy problem to like the hardest problem out there. No, you want to try and do gradual steps, so that way you build up your skill incrementally at problem solving and just challenging yourself in general. So yeah, I'm actually going to make a coding video next. I just got a Raspberry Pi 3 in the mail. I'm excited to show you all what I'm going to build this weekend, and I'll upload the video for my journey for that. I hope you all got something out of this video. if anyone says that programming is easy, or it's just been an easy road for them and everything they encounter is like not even challenging, then I would tell them, you know, in a nice way, maybe point them to this video, that they're in their comfort zone. They need to break out of their comfort zone. And this goes for a lot of different professions, like being a chef or being a musician or being an artist. A lot of people have comfort zones, and that's great to have a comfort zone. You want to feel confident, but you have to break out of the comfort zone and hit resistance. It's through resistance where you'll grow the most. I guarantee you, if you don't already know it. So I hope this video has been helpful. I'm looking forward to uploading more videos, you know, ASAP. Definitely, I usually make videos whenever I just get a quick spare chance. I don't have a schedule for making them. It's just a little side thing. But I do want to take it somewhat seriously, and I hope you guys are gaining something out of this video. And please hit that like and subscribe button. And yeah, guys, thanks.